Camping trips can be a breeze with this advice. Foregoing a 5-star hotel for the rustic enjoyment of camping can make for an amazing vacation for the whole family, you and your so or all by yourself. Check out the tips and tricks in the following video that will enable you to make the absolute most of your camping vacation. When going camping, you must make sure that you keep a list of all of the supplies that you plan to bring. You have to make sure you include everything that you will need on your trip. This is the best way to make sure that you don't forget something for your trip. Purchase a quality tent. It can be tempting to score a good deal on a tent, but you want to find something that can hold both you, your family members, and your belongings. Try visiting a store that specializes in outdoor gear. They tend to have well-made products that will last for a while. Keep an eye on the weather. Rain or other conditions may impact your travel time and your experience at the campsite. Make sure that you have gear that is appropriate for the weather conditions that you may face. Adjust your departure time as necessary to try and avoid the bulk of the bad weather, if possible. If you have a toddler, pack a blanket. You can lay it out on the ground and use it as a makeshift play area. Bring cars, dolls, or whatever items your child is into. They can play without getting too dirty, and you can instruct them that they need to keep their toys on the blanket for safekeeping. This will help to keep things from getting too spread out. Water is very important when camping. When camping at a campground, there should be ample supply of water available, but on the trail, you will have to carry some with you. If you are going long distances, you should probably carry iodine tablets to sanitize any water you find before drinking. Be careful, dysentery can be deadly. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. Always take a fully stocked first aid kit when you venture out on a camping trip. You can put together your own kit with bandages, gauze pads, tweezers, scissors, antibacteria cream, and antiseptic wipes in a sturdy container. You can also buy one of the many excellent ready-made kits to save time. Nature has so much more to offer us on a vacation than the usual theme park or sandy beach. Make the most of your camping trip by following the useful advice in this video. There are many things to consider in order to make your camping venture a success, so make sure you've covered all the bases and are prepared for anything. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.